we are going to go out and try to get some drone footage of Venice. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I'm super excited because I've seen drone footage of Venice and it looks absolutely beautiful from up there. We got stuff of Burano and Murano. Now I want to get some of San Marco. And what is that little triangle island that I wanted to get? The one with the museum?
Ooh, that's a good question. On the other side of it, it's Giudeccia, but I'm not sure what the island is. But it's by the Loggia Museum.
Yeah, so I want to get that also because it's like I've seen that from like a big viewpoint in a museum and it looks really pretty. So that's the goal today. And then Logan found an all-you-can-eat sushi.
Yes, and it is so good.
For about 20 euro each, and so we're gonna try that today also. He's already tried it and loved it, so me and Arabella are gonna go try it for the first time today. Trickiest part about flying the drone is finding a secluded place to take off from. We found this garden, but there's a lot of people in here, so we're just hoping, fingers crossed, there's an open space. All right, we think we found a spot. All right, so we did just see someone that works here in the garden walk around. I think she went back into the greenhouse. So Logan doesn't really want to fly here. He's a little nervous too because we're not really supposed to. So we're actually gonna go over to the island, that little triangle point that I wanted to get footage of anyway, and fly it from there. Since you're really not supposed to fly it over San Marco, and we're not gonna fly it over San Marco, we're just gonna fly it over that little point and then get a view shot from that point of San Marco. We found a way better, way more secluded spot on this little point island. Trying to get drone footage is definitely really difficult. Burano was a lot easier because there was a secluded park, but this is hard. First flight, huge success. Logan did such a great job. Now we're going over to get footage of the Rialto Bridge, and then we're gonna go to
Hopefully, it's a very busy area, so we're gonna see if we can even pull that off.
I think we can. And then we're going to go get sushi. After successfully getting drone footage, we are starving, so we're gonna order all-you-can-eat sushi, and we're going to order so much. On our walk home from all-you-can-eat sushi, we are absolutely stuffed, but Logan surprised us and took us to the skinniest alley here. I've been wanting to do that before we left. And what is it? Varisco. It's way smaller than I was expecting. Like, I was scared I wasn't gonna fit. So last night we ended our night with watching Ted Lasso. We are binging it so Arabella can get through it. Now we are going to go to this rooftop that you have to book like a month in advance, but it's completely free. Do you know what the building is called?
I don't.
I can't remember the building. It starts with a T though, and it's about a 20-minute walk from us.
Yeah, I believe it's on top of the building. That's like a German market. So there's a bunch of like really like posh stores inside. Let me see if I could find it here. It's the T Fondaco or T Fondaccio de Ten. We'll put it in the comments below.
All right, we're on our 4th escalator up, and I see signs for it. I think it's just here to our right. All right, the rooftop terrace, so worth it. So worth it, but make sure you book ahead of time. You have to book 28 days in advance. For a very late lunch at almost 2:50 p.m., we stopped at our favorite Aperol Spritz Bar, got a bunch of cicchettis and 4 Aperols. It's only 45 euro for 12 cicchetti and 2 Aperols. Like, this is a steal. After packing all day this morning and our power went out, Logan luckily fixed it. We're about to go on a gondola ride for our last day in Venice. It's probably gonna be around 80 to 100 euros, so that's why we've been saving it for this last day. And then we're gonna go have dinner at our favorite Aperol Spritz Bar with our favorite server. All right, I think we found the gondolier service that we're going to take. We want to have like a backdrop of the Rialto Bridge, just because I think I would like that more than St. Mark's, because St. Mark's is just like a square, where the Rialto Bridge you actually get to go under and like observe it from underneath, which I think would be really pretty.
Look here. The little anchor in the corner. The Venetian people touch the little anchor because they think it's filled with that.
Oh.
Only here, eh? Are we not allowed to touch it? When I was a child and I studied for the test in the school, I can't go for the little anchor. Really? It's good because I never repeat dinner.
Is that the only one or
Only one. The claxon, la gamba is right. Y pagamos.
Adesso insomma Marcello Strozzi che mi dico Johnny ti puoi brava col palo. Il Marcello Marcello che era amico intimo del Falò, vero?
Non sapevo.
Non chiamerò Martino per picchiare.
Ca is casa. For me, for this month, you find many deal with Ca. These are. Ubriaca a mí me ubriaca. Ho il bracciato rotto. Dai Pippo, il Titanic che arriva. Stai Leo, stai tutto.
Okay, the gondola ride is 80 euro for 30 minutes before 7 or 6:30, and then after that it does go up to 100 for 35 minutes, but it is worth it for every minute. Like, and I'm mad that we waited this long and for our last day to take the gondola ride, because you learn so much from the gondoliers. They have so much information about the city that I did not know about, and I learned about like Marco Polo here and his house and the book he wrote, and also Casanova's house. So definitely take the gondolier ride first thing when you get here, so you can learn about the history before you start exploring the city. We are almost completely packed up. Logan's getting his last few things. I'm getting my last few things. And oh my goodness, my hair. I need to pull it back still. And then Our train leaves in about an hour, so we're gonna leave here in about 30 minutes. All right, saying goodbye to our Venice apartment. Oh my God, we are so sweaty. But we made it, we got some food, all of our luggage fits. Now we're gonna make it to Rome in about 4 hours. So I'm excited. We get to chill out and actually cool off on this. It's super air conditioned. It's a really nice train.
Premium seats. Peppers in there. No, tomato maybe?
This 4-hour train ride has flown by. We are 2 stops away now from Rome, and we have been planning this entire time. We're planning to go down the Amalfi Coast with my brother and Arabella, and then we are also planning our like island hop that we're going to do from Athens with my mom when she comes to visit us. Logan just informed me that the next 2 stops are extremely far away and we're only about halfway, so we still got some time. It did not fly by. Alright, so for my mom and my family, we have decided we are just going to surprise them. They have no idea where we're going, how we're booking it, anything like that.
And this is the island trip from Greece.
Yeah.
So we all thought we might go to Crete, we might go to Naxos.
But we found out that we can go to Mykonos for super cheap.
So they don't know this yet, but we're gonna wait till they get to the airport and then break it to them that we're going to Mykonos. I have a feeling they're gonna freak out.
I think they're gonna freak out. I'm excited. We just arrived in Rome. Logan's got the big suitcases. I got the little ones. It's about an 11-minute walk to our Airbnb, so we're gonna make the walk. And I think our host is there waiting for us. I can't wait to get in the AC. It is already warm here. Alright, off to our Airbnb. The most humbling feeling, taking your suitcase across this new city.